If a car accident is not your fault, does your insurance go up? That's a question our firm gets all the time. The good news is that if you're involved in a car accident that is not your fault, your insurance rate typically won't increase. And this is because the insurance company of the driver who caused the accident is responsible for covering most of the costs. Another question that we get asked a lot is, will my insurance go up if I make a claim against my uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage? Florida law does not allow insurance companies to raise your rates if you make an uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage claim. However, there are certain instances where rates can increase simply because discounts are no longer applied. For example, discounts for remaining accident-free may be removed, causing your policy to increase. Also, many insurance companies have annual rate increases, so don't confuse that with a penalty for an auto collision. The best thing to do is shop around. Look for another insurance company who may be able to provide you an even better rate and better coverage. But beware, the cheapest premium doesn't always mean the best. Oftentimes, you're trading important coverages for a lesser premium. Do your research and shop around. As always, if you've been involved in a collision that wasn't your fault, reach out to us right away so that we can help you navigate those uncertainties.